So children, origin of life. Children, Darwin's theory of evolution tells us how life evolved from simple to complex forms. And Mendel's experiment gives us the mechanism of inheritance. Here, Darwin's theory will tell you how evolution has occurred. Mendel's theory will show you how inheritance has occurred because of the genes. And Mendel called gene as factor, children, don't forget. But neither of the scientists will tell how life began. How life began on the earth. That we are going to discuss now, children. How life came on the earth. Okay, Darwin explained everything about evolution. Mendel explained everything about inheritance. But real life, how it came? Okay, children, that was done by Haldane. Children, that was done by Haldane. He was a British scientist, children. Okay, and also see, he became ironically citizen of India. Also, I don't know why how it in English. Okay, children. He said that life has originated from simple inorganic molecules. How I will show you. Simple inorganic molecules which were present on Earth in the earlier stages. Okay, children. So he somehow speculated all the conditions present at the Earth, all the conditions present on the Earth when life was not there, all the conditions which were present on the Earth when life was not there, and he did a small experiment. The first primitive organisms would have arisen from chemical synthesis. He told that some chemical reactions have occurred. That's why first organism came. So he was a scientist who told about this, and basing on this, three scientists, children, their name as Stanley, Miller, Harold. Okay, children. In 1953, they have taken a big jar or vessel like tea, children, and they assembled, children. In this, they created an atmosphere. In this, they created an atmosphere similar to early Earth. Understood, children? Early Earth, when life was not there. Okay, so means only they kept ammonia, me- methane, hydrogen sulphide. In the original Earth, children, oxygen was not there. Remember, children. In original Earth, oxygen was not there. He kept only ammonia, methane, and hydrogen sulphide. He kept it, and this all some water. They kept. Water was there before life was okay. Then what they did with children, they maintain temperature below 100. They maintain temperature below 100 degrees, and sparks were passed into it. Sparks, electrical sparks. It means which will show like lightning and thunderstorms will occur when it is raining. Like that, they want to show in the form of sparks, electrical sparks. They in used in this. Okay, children. So which are similar to lightning, children. After 1 week, to their surprise, 15% of the carbon which was there in the methane had been converted into simple compounds of carbon, including amino acids, children, and slowly protein molecules have made up. Then they understood, children, what happens is what happened. You are able to understand, children. They have taken water, they kept ammonia, methane, hydrogen sulfide without oxygen, and they sent some sparks, children. So due to the sparks, reactions started occurring between all these things, and protein molecules have formed. Protein molecules, and from protein molecules only, earlier RNA has come. RNA is the genetic material in the virus. Then slowly RNA has changed into DNA. DNA was the genetic material for some of the bacteria, children, some of the bacterial protozoans. And slowly, due to the reactions which are occurring in the water, due to the sparks and reactions, and first matter, slowly organic molecules started coming, and they could do all the things in this experiment, children. This is called Stanley and Miller experiment, famous experiment, children. Okay, those who did not understand, last time I'm saying Darwin explained about evolution, Mendel explained about inheritance, but no one told about life. Haldane was the first scientist who told that life has come from simple inorganic molecules. These are inorganic molecules which convert into organic molecules. Hey, okay, children. So Stanley, Miller, and Harold, they created artificial conditions which were prevailing in the original Earth when life was not there, ammonia, methane, hydrogen sulfide, and water, and they sent some sparks, and chemical reactions are occurred. A simple protein molecules and organic molecule started forming the water in one week, and by this they came to the conclusion that these organisms started undergoing anaerobic respiration first. Anaerobic. Why anaerobic respiration? Because there was no oxygen. And when they underwent anaerobic oxygen and they started liberating oxygen, and when oxygen came into this, and slowly life forms have started, and they could see all the changes which are appearing in the earth in this experiment only. This is origin of life experiment done by Stanley Miller, famously called the Stanley Miller experiment, children. 5 marks question once they ask in board exam. Thank you.